Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'm going to show you a lovely colorful scarf. So we're doing a net pattern or a whole-like pattern with trebles, and this is about 170 meters long, about 20 centimeters wide. And yeah, it's perfect for the winter and it also looks great as you can see. So yeah, this is a black yarn combined with a very colorful one. So you're going to see what exactly I used and how I did it. So let's get right to that. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting with the multicolor effect yarn. And we have here 53% polyester, 24% wool, 23% acrylic, 50 grams per 9 meters of length. And yeah, 7mm hook or needle, and I have my 6mm hook here. And yeah, I'm going to use 2 of these for my entire scarf, and you can see that the colors are already combined in here, so there's nothing else for you to worry about. So the thread, the black thread or the black yarn is already in here combined with awesome rainbow colors. So yeah, if you want this color, it's 4. And yeah, let's find the beginning so that we can get started. So the width is completely up to you. What you are gonna need is something times 3 plus 2 extra chains. So in my case, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with chains, of course, and I'm gonna do 18 or 6 times 3 plus 2, so a total of 20. Okay, almost done, so 20 total in my case. And you see my total width. So now we're gonna count to the third from the hook, and we're gonna do a treble right there. And then we're gonna continue. Each chain that we see is gonna get a treble, and that's gonna be our base row for starters. So yarn over, and then through 2, and again through 2, and that's a treble. Okay, you guys, so you can see here what it looks like after just 1 row. So we get really a great result. You can see the trebles in here with the 3 chains we started with. And now we're going to start the second row with 3 chains for the height, and then we're going to turn. We're going to skip 1. I'm going to do 2 more chains on top of here so that I can bridge over to this next spot. So we're going to skip 2, and into the third one we're going to do a treble. Then we're again going to do 2 chains, and we're again going to skip the 2 bottom stitches, and then we're going to do another treble. So super simple. We're going to do 2 chains, skip 2 chains on the bottom or 2 stitches, and then do a treble. And that's the entire thing we're doing for this row. So we skip 2 here, and then a treble, 2 chains again, and then we again skip 2. So it's always super simple to find. Here again, and the last treble goes around the chains we started with. Now we're going to do 1 regular row. So we're going to do 3 chains for the height, and then we're going to do trebles into every stitch that we see in here. Into the hole, we're always going to do 2 trebles at a time because that's the amount we skipped in the last row. So 2 go into the 1 big hole. So for each of the holes, we basically do 3, so 1 at the beginning and then 2 into the hole directly. And you can see here yeah, it's always kind of in 3-piece packs, or actually just looks that way. But yeah, above the treble that we have, and then 2 more above the hole that we did. So here I am again above the treble, and then we do 2 more around the last hole. After this row, we're actually going to do another one with regular trebles all throughout the row. So we're going to do 3 for the height, and then again treble into every stitch that we see. Okay, so now we're going to do another whole row after this one we just did. So we're going to start with 5 chains, and then we're going to skip 2, or you can actually take a look at where your last treble was from this exact same row. So you can see here on the bottom that we have the treble right here, so you can always easily find it that way. And yeah, you just transfer it to the top, or you just count the 2 stitches that you skip and then go into the 3rd one. Always remember to do 2 chains so that you can skip over or bridge over the 2 stitches you're not doing. We're again skipping. Just a couple more. Okay, one last time. So we're doing 2 skipped ones, and then the last one around the chains that we started the last row with. And yeah, you can now see after I've done this, so you can see what it looks like after these 4 or 5 rows. So we have the 2 times the holes, and then in between always the more stable rows with full trebles. So I'm going to do a little bit more, and then I'll be back to show you what I have. Okay, you guys, so after a couple of rows, I just wanted to show you what I have, and I wanted to show you the color change, of course. So you can see we always have these lovely orange tones at the beginning, and then it kind of turned into purple where I am right now. So let's keep going, and I'll show you the whole thing after I'm done. Okay, so I just finished the 2 spools that I had for this. And now what we could do is actually connect this to the beginning to get a loop scarf. And that way you would have 2 exactly the same pieces, so they wouldn't be different from any other 2 full rows of trebles. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it as a scarf, so not a loop scarf, and I'm just gonna show you all the colors that we have on here. And yeah, we're pretty much done with the project in a matter of minutes, or a little bit more depending on your speed. All we need to do is pull the end thread out, and then we can weave that in. Of course, shorten a little bit. When you pull it out, tighten so that it all stays in place. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot us a thumbs up if you did. You can also click on the subscribe button if you'd like, and that way you'll always stay updated with everything new that we post. So yeah, as I said, all you're gonna need to do after this is weave in the beginning at the end, and that's pretty much it. So a super simple scarf, a super great project, and yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!